Today I want to talk about a mobility exercise that we use in our warm-ups all the time, or a slight variation of this exercise, and that's a thoracic extension rotation or an upper back rotation. So the reason we're doing that is that we are trying to mobilize the upper back while keeping the lower back stable. So by design, the musculature in your core is supposed to keep your lower back in place, and your upper back and your hips are kind of supposed to move around your lower back. But a lot of times what happens is you get too stiff in your upper back, or you get too stiff in your hips, and you get too much movement from your lower back, and that's why you get a lot of common lower back pain. So in this exercise, Chris is going to be our example. He's going to get on all fours, have the hands right under the shoulders, knees right under the hips. He's going to have a slight amount of extension in his upper back, but mostly he's just not going to be in a flexed position at all. He's going to take one hand and place it behind his behind his head. Bring his elbow down towards the other elbow, and then rotate and look his armpit right up towards the ceiling. Now he's moving entirely through his upper back, not just trying to move his arm up as high as he can, and he's keeping his belly button and his hips square to the table the entire time. So he's trying to get as much movement from the upper back, brace his stomach, and keep his hips square.